oh, the lucky soul. Wake up now, go. That's how the big boy. Patoka dasa pano dweke se no ma yo boss yo pao. That's yo no. Mr. Ogogo, Irapa, Irame no kyo ya Ajebor. But as a no and the crew, that's you. I ye better ube, no ye better ube. It's all you. Patoka dasa pano dweke se no ma yo boss yo pa. That's me no. Mr. Ogogo, Irapa, awu we hu kan ya Ajebor. But as a no and the crew, I ye better ube, no ye better ube. It's all you. You are not the akmo she. Anaposa si emi na la ubakmo. Akoni bofe no fe o wa kojo. E mama we ma gbona ojo wa no kwa o na kewe de o. You are sa mori opa o. Ojo wa no kwa na keri o de o. Ijo. Omono ga lojon re. Ojo wa no kwa lo kelu regbe. E mama we ma gbona wa ko na yorian o. Akoni bofo mo. Eba ko sata o elogo baba saje o. No ma give ya kon e o. Wela mo bi wa o no wa do ke sese mese o. No ma yo ko suru wa we nu ga ko fe o. Me we gbogbo na je o. Me we gbogbo ma to ko je yo wa o. Gbogbo ibi o mesi akoni gbogbo ma o wa kere wa o. Patoka dasa pano do ke se no ma yo boss yo wa o. That yo no. Mr. Ogogo, Irapa, Irame no kyo ya Ajebor. But as a no and the crew, that's you. I ye better ube, no ye better ube. It's all you. Baba me kuwe wo sene. Me bani me na wo masi nu we yo. That's me o. Abata ni yeke. Ni akmo wa kale lu we kan ni. That's me we nu gelele alelu no akmo o. That's me o. Iwa alelu no akmo. Asaje mu so le na o. Papa we say yan e we nu ga tan we yan o. That's me o. Mo wa ki obadan. Awe ga ki o no je o. Jo kan ni me fi peke na. E to me wa yi ga tan we o. Mr. Ogogo, Irapa, alias Ajebor, Agamioya Wefe, CEO, Ajebor Foundation. Kawanu wagele lunamo, omo no ga yin agbon dati, ese dede mi ayan menu kyoja. Legacy bani oye lawe eyan o, ese na wu ne gbe no na ya se pele o, dati me o. Iwe wani buta emi abe na po, iyan wese na na una, iyan wese dema o. Ain't that me away? In a wedding, I got that Jacaberio. A summer said, now we will not know. You were saying, Yakabe, I mean, I made you for the Napana Joe. So, Papa, no, Baba, and so tell him myself, and not money, Mamma J. You go to Jenny Jaco, you know, tell you no. Patoka dasa pano dweke se no ma yo boss yo pa o. That yo no. Mr. Ogogo, Irapa, Irame no kyo ya Ajebor. But as a no and the crew, that yo. I ye better ube, no ye better ube o. It's all you. Iwa kele me daso wa ne daso. Oge rame na keshe video. We no daso wa, eriya we daso. Wa daso ge no and the crew. That's no. Papa me. Irame no kyo. Mr. Ogogo, Irapa me ge na.
Share this video, guys.
Alias Ajebor. That's yo odele go le we yo. Odele go no. Ono na osioba o. Irame o. Anabe ga to tu ni go ba to le to show. Mama doye. Iwe ta be sunu ye niwe o. The CEO Ajebor Foundation. Si we get so poor yo, Irame no kyo. Me so we ne no lo we na mona show. Irame o. Etu we me go pe, we na ri jo ko to yo pe. O fe si we no, oju we na ya o, baba me o. Me wo we ya jame o, uzo da pe uzo yo ko keri jo ko no o. Ugo me pe na kele, be keri jo ko no o. We are we up on our Usama Pasisama Lopamila. When you see where left your bubble, Papa no. Take us you know. I am not see where one go. You was a new daddy, I'm on your way, no. Papa no. I say, why you? I Awi yeri oda o. Akadeke nu beri o. Awi yeri oda o. Oda ode yari o.
Okay, kene ni mani agugun o.
Wadoga mama no sa
ni atemo ni we are atemo. Aso ibi o.
Tati o gogo. Erabo mele ramo. Alias Ajebor. Agame ya wo no efe o. CEO Ajebor Foundation. Woman no saki akono to mi ga fofo. Eramo. Tati menge ya pa mesamo. Agaye de petowe. Ajebor mege de ramo. Iga tewe no mu ede baba nu egele ya me ya wo mo. Eramo ye no kire lucky star. We na wo meto. Yes, Mr. Ogogo Irabo alias Ajebor. Agame ya wo no face.
Let me see this video in this movie.
Daddy,
let's go there.
You know, I
need 100 people to be watching from start to the show.
Yes.
100 people to be watching. Go straight to the show. Why Facebook team my show now?
Oh, na.
Who they play my sister?
Oh, no. Ijo,
I be Facebook team in the video now.
I did see lots of stuff.
What's going on?
Padoga does a panel to say, no, my yoga, see your bow. That you know, Mr. Ogogo, Irabo, Eramenoki, Ajebor. But as I know, and they pray, that's you. I get better, when I get better, well, it's all do. Padoga does a panel to say, no, my yoga, see your bow. That you know, Mr. Ogogo, Irabo, Eramenoki, Ajebor. But as I know and they pray, that's you. I get better, when I get better, well, it's all do.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. When I never share this video, Mona share this video, Mona share this video, Mona share this video. I want 100 people to be watching before we go straight to this show. But the truth of the matter, I don't know why Facebook they dim this video. I've been at picture why I put because he had me before I put picture. What did they happen to my Facebook again? Wait till they sup with my Facebook again. Where is Egogo Nola? Mike, we play that music.
Everywhere you go.
Yeah, Egogo Nola, popular everywhere you go, my son. Yeah. If you do ya nirewe bu.
Respect to my big daddy.
Egogo Nola, if you do ya nirewe bu. Hey, only pe na. Ya ke share video na. Video na ya ma share 100. Ya share 100. I don't 100 you watch now. Abella, one of United Kingdom. I cite you there, brother. All right. Abella, one of the Ocean. I cite you there.
If you not know
Odaro, I cite you there.
Ania. Use of your man, where you talk. Ania. Use of your not they raise your shoulder. Blow your shoulder.
Let's go there. I want to see 100 people watching. Let 100 people be watching. We'll go straight to the show.
Yeah, you tell them, you whipping on wine. We're quiet,
This video goes long today. This video goes long.
No Samuel cannot tell them. Could it take me now? I'm not here. The Gimana is a sick over.
Princess Dora.
And I am on the TTP. Now we're by your door.
This video go long. If I say
ìyá tó bá ní ló wà
I go remove all these
ìyá tó bá ní rí
pictures.
sí
This
wà bá dá mi
program
ìwà
dey
mẹ́
dream, e dey dream. Why? Look at this picture.
wà dá mi ìwà mẹ́ wà mí ẹ̀yà wà ó wà mí ẹ̀yà àbò ìmọ̀dé ìwọ̀n gbogbo ọ̀gbìn òkú yá pé pátá ọ̀gbìn òkú yá wé mẹ́kọ̀ ìwọ̀n gbogbo ọ̀gbìn ẹ̀yà lè ra ẹ̀rú kò ní o ìyá tó mi náwó ẹ̀.
Let's go. 100 people to be watching. 100.
ìwọ̀n
Share.
gbogbo
Share because of
yàpẹ̀rù
Facebook.
ní
Share.
mọ́tò yàpẹ̀rù sí wìnà ìwọ̀n gbogbo lọ́la ọ̀gẹ̀ ayá wọn yàn o ọ̀gẹ̀ ayá yé mi yé gbé if you no lóya o ìtẹ̀gbẹ́ mu torí ó yá ìtẹ̀gbẹ́ mu àníà ìtẹ̀gbẹ́ mu oyún sókè owó kan o mọ́nà mú èkó ẹ̀rí ó tọ̀ ìtẹ̀gbẹ́ mu wárí ó yá ìtẹ̀gbẹ́ mu àníà. No dey raise your shoulder. Low your shoulder.
Alright, let's go there. Let's go. We still go there. Let's go to the club. Yeah, let's go. Mama, you are not both out here, Baba. I sight you there. Please, in this platform, this program tonight, you have right to call into the program. You have right to call in to this program this evening. My number is there. May we start? No reach 100 people. 100 people don't they watch? Don't you want to see our Facebook? I say, Facebook, if you start me this evening, I'm not going to take it like that. Our Facebook name, she's answering.
If you not
This is Shine or 7K there. Go and watch it. So on our Facebook name right here, okay? On TV, I mean.
Not dey raise your shoulder, low your shoulder. Ọmọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ don jẹ́. Ààrẹ UK wé pé ní o tọ́. Ọmọ èlò gàdá ayọ̀. Ààrẹ UK wé pé ní o tọ́. Ọmọ ìdọ̀tọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ Liberty. Ààrẹ US wé pé ní o tọ́. Ọmọ ìmàsí Bravo. Ọ̀rítàlẹ̀ orí èkó sódò. Ọmọ ìfìtọ̀ ẹ̀bùn sẹ́lẹ̀.
Alright, thank you. Let's go. It's 100 watching. Thank you. Egogo Wesomonoge. So let us go straight to the show. Let us go straight to the show. Igonyo today, Igonyo today. All right. Mawa yako wana na video na mawa yako na na we na I have time. Share this video if you are watching. All right. All right, Madam Arese, it could have, but in case of next time, okay, you know, when we get platform here, a platform in Ujena, we're talking about a platform that Ujena. So at times I does not want a comment who will draw attention of people. Now do I in normal keke platform. We're talking about where a platform Nuje, a platform me Adazeno, a platform me no why no. Now this is our Facebook name. We bunye uriata mane we was a normal change on now. This is our page, my sister. That is her page. Don't you see Shine Francis or Digier there? Have you called her and asked her why don't you change it? And that does not have it does not mean anything, my sister. So also a great comment in Imobo welcome, my dear. Wherever umawe pa a power butter. Did you say a power butter? Absolutely no. Your comment here, your first comment here is what did you comment here, RSA? Look at your first comment. Let me bring it out. I hope to see your comment again. This is your first comment, Madam Arese. I don't understand why is Mr. Ajebor addressing Solomon's wife as Shine or Digie instead of Shine or Semige without you saying good evening to me. My sister, answer our reply. I want you to reply there, my sister. You reply that place. Madam Arese, reply that place. Or we no one we live platform you my way pabota. Umawe, good evening, mister. You said I don't understand why. You see at times a big comment video. I don't need it in my platform, my sister. You might need it. Because on a platform momo. You are on a platform of an ambassador. Adazeve nije a no one a big platform no see any be Canada agben no magbaye manani. Try my sister. I don't need it. When you live platform in Aba bro so bota temo bota a power bota. Then uno motani in asawe nani megi mulajana now. Where my beggar is this not the lady you are talking about? Can you call her now where Madam Nina Gure page where you know it, but you want to destroy, you want to just to draw attention of users to the platform to start committing nonsense. Hey, you were my sister. I like a case of next time. You said you don't go to all platform. Good, since you know who selected a platform new you and the one platform new now where a platform of be no any no or no any working. So my sister, I believe you are supposed to educate your comments, please. Okay, my sister, I agree. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Ninigbe, my sister. A Facebook or you need Facebook igbe. Understand my sister. So I'll make you clear. So thank you very much, everybody. God bless you all. I really appreciate every one of you. Please start sharing this video. When I know say I not there as for the past 4 days. Okay, I travel out of Germany. Okay, the past 4 days and I returned back to base yesterday. So, let me quickly say this. I know if you say, I know here waiting the apple, but not be all. Now here, not be all, I still say. Okay? I go play one record of one woman where that woman take advice Edo men and Edo women. You understand? Because nowadays, Edo where I got holding we don't want to make some women make una they think say maybe with the oppress una a lot of women or make women not they think say una women una still the oppressors. So at times if I see video where women like una do, I still like my plan. Just like at times when I see video where some of women do, some of una women una go still like una plan. Okay, let me listen to Madam Arese. I know, say, I don't know, say, I suppose, greet first. You want to change it to quarrel. You want to change it to quarrel. You want to change it to quarrel. My sister, Imagine your head to quarter, my dear. Okay, to where you I'm not like that. I'm just trying to educate you. Where team yamiaba, where to where we have yet educate me. Mother, so don't buy one for like a comment in Ugmeban or a tea draw attention, my remember I no sense. And the platform make be platform name, mothers, and I educate you. And if you have a comment in my way, bros or butter or Pabota or Mr. Good evening, my beg, you just come. I don't know why Mr. Ajebor, so check it now, my sister, okay? So, a quarter, okay? So, a case in my I want to name my sister. Let me concentrate more. So, let me quickly look for this video. I pray to see it. Music those are parts. We are starting the show right this moment. Share this video if you have not shared this video. Yeah. So, I don't pass that side. But yeah, but you have a video when I show now. I have a picture now in my video, you know, no? Can't be getting another have a picture now or see, I don't know. Okay.
No. As I tell you, there is the way you talk to a. There is the way you talk to a.
I want every woman in the house to listen to this video. Now, a dog woman, now I do this short video to advise women, okay? And they drive go somewhere, okay? Make una share this video. Yes, Ruth Obota. Yes, good evening, everybody. Good evening. I greet you, Mama. Alpha na Esther, I sight you, Mama. How you doing?
There is the way you talk to a domain. We talk to never start to learn how to talk to a domain. No peace for our marriage. No. As I tell you, see the way that they do. No go here. A domain, they are not difficult at all. Not only respect that they just need. If you give you money, happen just the happen. Finish. I don't know now. So they take bond there. You can't change it. There's nothing you can do. So just obey. Just obey if you want to marry. There is the way you talk to a domain. We talk to never start to learn how to talk to a domain. No peace for our marriage. No. As I tell you, see the way that they do. No go here. A domain, they are not difficult at all. Not only respect that they just need. If you give you money, happen just the happen. Finish. I don't know now. So they take bond there. You can't change it. There's nothing you can do. So just obey. Just obey if you want to marry. There is the.
God bless you, my beautiful sister, for that advice to women all over the world. Okay. So this video this evening, I'm going to be addressing it with my dialect, Bini language. Even broken go enter. That one na second language where I want to use, but the first one for the video na I do now I want to use, because these people with this issue where I want to talk about their matter, so they be Bini people. Madam Francis, Madam Shine Francis Odigie na Bini woman. Mr. Solomon Osemigi na Bini man. Of course, Mr. Dumes Edo Eruwela is a Bini man. Edo Ekayata West Wisdom Bota, my dear. So now let's go there. Like I said, I traveled 4 days ago and I returned back to base yesterday. It was 48 hours traveling, okay? So, even if you are soon to work, you set it reso, imaseti reso, iwe bereso, I remember we say, eso, ndehe, niga, eje. But, nikaka bodo, imiewo, ikekpa, iberore, Otimare Frank Victor a video nora iu nodokan erimare dumesedo Madam Shine and her husband together. So at the end of the day, I call Mr. Victor. You understand? So I know you are finishing it. Manado Igua. So my Igua for now, at the end of the day, a lot of people now came into the conference call. Aba does any enigbe fefefe, you want to do, you want to webo. Of course, Anado invited Mr. Dumezedo to the call. In respect of Ishware, a Madam Shine or Roto, no de bedo drag enye eru wala ladian. I have to speak the truth here before I proceed. Enieru wala no have a social media this of 3-4 days in a. Day shine o si ono na na or 3-4 days na o devil no ya me time. Edo wisan or swasan we. Fine, edo na beta obonu po give away o ma no pa bagbon. Or when I beg eniye. Deba ona be arobo no pa we anerun nare mie ukpopo anerun nare gare e stress ne imanoma keke no bo made ni age do abo made ruda imanoma keke no bo made ra imanoma keke no gwo magun e ya na abo made ne ya na agwo magun ne ugmeso ado o iseko ma do mu enwafo a emi no ke na u ari we no ke na ta ari on eya ta e Madam Shine Francis o magbora ugmeso ona se no gbora ibe ta ubokpa ba o Madam Shine Francis Odige o magbora ugmeso ona se no gbora but eyin o ya drageru wala la diawo wa of this of 4 days saga na o so kon pa no edo we agagbudian wa gbon agbegbe amagbudian ayebe gbegbe emi no keke no ne kokwo kopia no rivo mo ne gbe ne ni awe ni ame kini alegberie omoruwe ine ona regwalo na wu ndo monoruwe aedene debie no kwo seti amo uwe na ugmeso ke ban si pisen o we fi were no pe seti amo uwe na ugmeso ke ban ki ya si pigbe o ri fi were o si e pe aboku no ri momo ne gbe ni akun ya makuwe awa fi yo monare anerun wuda no pe anerun wuda no kwo nda omonire omonore poni orevane Madam Shine Francis Odigie o sie Mr. Dumezi la dia 4 days ina so kwon pa no edowe ugmeso amaga se no sie mere agwa no lowo ba ohu da no muoma na yi seti ya control gboma edowe agayeve ne gbe ya toloma ana ya tolegbe egbe oribolo nodo kan emi e woda fon ni to bi ebe mu la pe ti we da me to bi me inoda fon amu eme we la pe wo kin no anerun na re hon ma ye mi opa no ma keke ugbebe mo da fon ya woda fon ri ga kin abe pe ti we iyota ize yota no kame oda fon ka we iye imonu ni kokoni imo bian eva ave kometa imani gbene imani ruowa eva so na ibe atawa omoni no pe ani te kokoni ana wo pe ani here de omoni mera en erie enie echema yarule ladian enie wa ya ladian geri mare du mes wala of this 4 days saga na ukpe Madam Shine no emi no take eke no wu Ve no bege we mena ya wa we yes no okpia na no ma okpa ma eva emena o ma kan emena iyevo da fon iyan emena kan iyan okpa iyan na we na gbodo we ni aye cause a shine to boy we video we never hear ni analyze ya kwingo ona miamia we ukmowa wowa ana wo so kwa pano imani bunoma be we ezodo ha me enwa aya guayo ni buna guayo yana moegia imano be we ezodo ha me enwa ya guayo yana be guayo yana moegia veni meye iguayo ma moegia vive ho we have settle ne. I congratulate the woman private. I also congratulate the man private, and both of them respond to my call. But Gamia we may be Timu when I bok power. When you are set on a body, me, I got any me, I adolo, I am calling me. I believe any guana, ye nukbia, ye Mr. Solomon, ye Madam Shine Francis. Idioke no ye, Ruda Okbiano Mohuwa, e mehi, Iokbiano Hono Zago, where ni amogo me. Egbera baloma gbe wa gbon mi no keke wa ni huedo wa mo eri obe no ni mani gbe a so kon pa no wa ni yo mo no ebe no mo ton ebe re no ebe ne mo moje obalo so posisi o keke no wa ze de ame izi egbe mostly e no kan ope anu wa bie na no wa igbaro awa we na gbewa owe hama ama ba kwe hin abie ma gbon hin no ya me yezere ni ba we omo ga igaro ne enwa agija we mi wo sieru wala la dia 4 days no waro tona ohuna Mrs. Shine Francis Odige so kun pa no magbora una se no gbora ohu no karu worion day nukaya sieru wala de wote siela ni awona bet ohuni uye ya mugbe na be no jobo we no take nu ya we mi okuno ro wojo weri hin Mother Shine Francis, my beautiful sister, ovie dove me ohin. I want to tell you my beautiful sister, eniri atama we ge son owe edeni gu egun anu na like una pon meme uvejere we unu ni yato ni unu ni ave yato na my sister. I never hate you, I will never hate you. Maro be me de maro you there. So I think where anything ya tama we nu get son we no my sister. O ma be ni beje ga sedo ina miewe ya did we to. That is just my life. So kon pa no I me hu abagbon obo wa yo pin o. Me have go wrong or have ethic in Nigeria with video e para me ya we fe. Eriwa aweriwa who be tired of me so ya tuta iya ge women sister me nata odero. God bless you Ruth our ambassador right on. Iya ge odero ibe ya we mi. Ugme se do ti we be kokko mo me wa mama sister me nuta ni we se. O ma keke ni da doge ja gun. Na wa we ona mai tayo go me no ma ogi ame no ugme so be ni ebe ya bege o ya gun ayo ni we ge be ya ge we ma no wa mo bo gun ayo we side ndi be de ne dere oni eni o wa we me we je be rio o ma keke no siezo o de o no ma na keke no siezo my sister wo pa wo we na gbon do re no we o be my sister ugme bugi do ka ma gbon e we no snu wa we e no ke da doge we no ke da doge eni aka ya agun ayo my sister. So what I want to tell you, if for example you are lucky to watch this video I guess on where on a pan me wa to e na we wo we se yan wa do agun e ge video my sister o wa ga sagbon Jimmy my sister e ge video. So ohu oge eru wala no ye mu we de tele oge gbewa oge any live video nu na we ayi temeru wala in fact we ga make na wati uwetie Ouni no ru warrior e we ya rule ya gbon ye Facebook we esi we esu we na ha we you need DNA that you are 100 billion times ready. Ita bena we wo si eru wala la dian we kese no waso 4 days ago na we o ma we video ya ro eru wala wo wa so kon pa no wo si other for like Facebook ugme bi no wise yota e no da fun weta we e money e kokoni yon bian eri ebo ya so apike ugme yi ma ipike na e ma tagele no o pe ani no bi omo ni we mo money gia o pe ani wi yen mo omo we no do we DNA no mo bi enu ge take responsibility. Then that is how you went straight to your Facebook and go and say, "We yes, me and we need the DNA. I am ready 1 billion times." Igbomaga tongbe my sister Emma. Igweka about my beautiful sister. One yo. Eri oke kenu ya ladian. O waga to agbogyon ma ba gbon my sister e soro akeimire ayebidoge e soro aga to agbogyon ma akeimire ayebidoba emi kemi na je nwa wo bagbon na emi kemi na ji si egbe wo bagbon na nana mi ogogowo ero enwa izi egbe ebotie patient na hiana mi ogogo ero be na ji gbina wu na ye violent you at the end of the day oria amiewo. If I were you, my beautiful sister, no a warule waladian again where agbe na ni awe to marry you no ta wa awe to marry you no ta wa gbon oko take my s out of this o e case na maka es me o wa wari e mo matama ma woda for me e ode na you will see people will start removing that mass name. Because binana no sunu wa wonderful when on a made ne kairu wala. But because of a woman mama dene, a commenters, a viewers, a bloggers, iado mo your very oni. So at the end of the day, then you now came out and go and write that word, that comment. They will not go your Facebook you Imane kabo PK na do yaso adrage eruwela. Which our brother Frank Victor uswe comment no mie no viere ya ha we yes enana okeke agbona alu no ru gbabo hie emi no kame weberuwela emeneruwela tayoto oyere he a social media a YouTube emi amegbe emi amegbe ewi emi neru wala ta eru wala mata led no ta the neru wala we video ni mote suppose no we video ni but na report the Lagos he fly the webo veru wala kama mewe oteme yen ho ni edo zenu nu yen the aje iro wani we video na be na wagwana imereko ya fly the webo ona woke ona we there's no problem but we no wa tona eyin na oni egun. I believe that is how he went to go and choose our brother, Mr. Efei Bright. Emi ya fefefe neru walata oyere he. Everybody can go back, go and play it there. Oviere makba omaya fie werie. Omaya fie werie at all. Oyere wa onina igbera. So, ugbebe Vayitie eru wala imaya igare conference call mebe Frank Victor imaga ayin eru wala ke dignity men is so we were all begging eru wala la wo e kesi wa wo na komona no rotona okpegbene due to your capacity, due to your integrity, due to your personality. Then the man has said where ni eji mare deti mami amegbe that emenieta orehe, but nevertheless yegaji mare ma Nevertheless, nyega jimare obiara na mo boso to. Ona gimae. The all my aruwe conference call ni no ma e ka him no tave here ni. The man repeat it there. I wish he had time to make have a type of platform now. Make have a damn on a video ni. We not tired. I believe that is the reason. Why are you asking me more on why should I mention those people name? No. He said this when I do ask when you with my brother. What is here? What is here? So I believe where a reasoning all your team are Mr. Franvito Nori Yadola Ekpetinwe Dori via idegbewe video we do come agbowa wage neru walawe ita gele edoka ke na oye neru wala ya temena okbene some persons some people might forget eveneru walata but ugariye YouTube na gbon yewa o yi ladian o ayebe miwe mana stop iwani agweru wala gwa matari ma make peace. The man stood by his word and them no study yini ya yebe khame tami wie domana bambana. Now my beautiful sister Shine Francis la wo teme imowe video no tama wewe okman emogwe emoji egima pushi we egemi no dawe egeya we mi no ma keke ruda odao agmori yeke my sister or we no kaweze wagmo or heaven no dimiye wa bega we commentators na ni buwo me yobo my sister na miebege ne mi ya logo mara na miebege na ya gwalian oni wa owo no gegere do aye comment support we wa mi comment wa right. At the end of the day, they are destroying everything the more. They are destroying everything the more. Here I comment near ya sigbina. Then ya aruwa ya celebrate. Unero no lie. Some of all these ones, they are not normal. Some of them, they are all in the hospital. A so resident house. Or what be comment we are given no ya support we go. Oh. Hey, te we ya well ma support me na. We rise oni igbina onyaga ezo emi no magba e on need. O wa na bieji ne okwo no enegbe. Egbe no bieji ne we no na ewo egbe na eyin bi omo na yi. Ogele to bo ehin. O evo bie o eva van. O eva avie yore we egbe na yen bi omo na yi. Egbo veri oni ona ranuva zagba ona finu gegbegbe veri oni o me ve no je cause I don't we na ma egbo ma wa no ma wa edene na wa ni kwore na ruda wa ni bu wa we agbona viji ma ni we ne de ni ju wa ni wa nyoni but wa yari ami wa unero no line bo wa ya Nana be nyebe dene na we egogo no mo na we if you not loyal you go rioya o wo pa we video ma ya me nota ni kwo ni bu ya to apa ya pa kokko mo kan be dene na ni kwo ni bu ya to apa ya pa kokki mo kan be dene na because out of their ignorant character ima oni loyal ima oni respect okpe ani bi na ima oni respect oda for me Ima oni respect ijo da fun me ke Nigeria gun awo wi mere iwu venya hey we ne dede ni afia odo agbon dede mere na bet wo pa to apa ya pa kokko mo kian wo pa to apa ya pa kokko mo kian dega imu ohun ebo gbe ro mo ni una fi we agbon ra ri papa eyimi ori ko keke nu e we ebe na agbon ya bo yen e ri eyimi ya bo yen o wi ma fi don o e bi yen. Bueno no enegbe uwe gbe na bieji ula di azagba ufinu agi egbe ni bueno no wu enegbe wo pe ana mu ekobie na ma odo ha mebeti mu ekobie ne are mi wo pe ana ka na we yen mu omo na okbiana ave no ri aje umo na ni kesu se ko ke mo pa no ugudogun megba ore ukin afian wu wa bere no wo okbiana pa wa bere okbia no we nyu e biena ogun yen kokomo we de na o mari ma kin akokomo wa we ogun yen kokomo 10 years o wa gba na wo pa ke to pa ya pa kokomo o mari ma we from level years okbia ni hiare o wa yi kuri edo oye loro ama we ba yi gbe na hian e ko ni eri me ba gbon e no si ya mo no pia e to hian terminate under 1 second so gbe ye ko e ko ne. But ikuwo giana aro a nurse of requiring odo mo mono biani. My beautiful sister Shine Francis. A video na ni hia una ya kakabodi bude nuevo. And I'm doing this video, nobody should insult Madam Shine Francis, her husband, Mr. Eruwala. If you do, I will block you instantly. If you do, I will block you instantly. You see all these commenters in my begging now, any time, but you don't know them. These are the people who push you into troubles. If you are not wise enough, they push you into trouble. They celebrate with saga on Facebook. Thank you, Mary. Any bad comment blocked. God bless you. A saga, they can't sleep without they don't see platform where Edo people are fighting themselves. A wise man, a wise woman today, you're supposed to have your sense. How you bring your matter to social media. Because there are a set of witches and wizards. The head way not they may come out. Where be say they hide. They go hide under your matter. And if they comment till they support you, that woman, that man, you they say I get fans of people like me. They are spoiling your home the more. They are destroying you the more. Not be social media give you wife. Not be social media give you husband. Not be social media give you pikin. You are supposed to be wise enough. You are supposed to be wise enough to know your right from your left. Everybody, this is true. This is an advice to everybody. Share this video. I am going to let us know what Mr. Dumezedo said that is continuing letting him to go bitter every blessed day. In case una no understand, some of una where they listen to videos outside, where they change people where they go. In case you don't understand, God bless you, Ruth. Amara, you can call, okay? I want you to call. Just listen to me, okay? Papa Uwaila no talk say. Papa Uwaila no dey deny pikin now. In case una where they talk they go, make come do DNA. Where be say through DNA now they insult the man, the innocent man. No, that is not the issue. Papa Uwaila no they talk now say no be my pikin. Una dey understand, so make una dey get am right. Make una dey get am right. No be DNA issue na it cause problem. No be DNA issue na it cause problem wey dey ground between Madam Shine and Mr. Dumes and the little child. Please let me finish. Hello, Mama. Hey, Obotao. You understand? You understand? You understand? Eke nezo lare meta wodo ha me na ka agui. Erima ya agmoy erima ya agmoyo. Good. Oma kosa neru wala yes, but ugbebe commentators ya igmeyo ne be mani ka ne wa. Yema ya kimoni ebie ke ni ma bie kokian. Erima na do agmoyo wa. We ya we die ne no nya momye ke na mu no ni akoko wie. Ya agbem ni egmeyi Facebook. Gbem ni egbene before a don priest ke la diando we eru wala do ka we ni we DNA abi. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, now you are not telling me now where a don priest or ka wo ye e sha ya gbem na ni ye abi. Okay, good. Ona ye be ajeberio. Ona ye be ajeberio. Imegita be petu ge nana. Eru wala mame ge no ya turn my don priest. A record is very only anybody who has a record okpe weru wala hamiye we ne shine dori DNA or money oni ayawe. Eru wala never measure anything like that. Okay, OSAJ, you are me. So a kokpa ma yeje. Even no one time me babana we a don prince or kagme or katawe eru wala. When ye do tawe ye need the DNA or ye Madam Shine ya gbe emeni ye no gbe ye wa fine, it's still the same thing. If I were still Madam Shine umana have voice neru wala ya temeni we talk be voice say you will not go to that extent no ya gbe my ass if you need them because we to bu we anywhere no na neru wala at the end of the day ekweri we gbewa no. But the truth of the matter, Eruwala never said anything like that. So don't praise. Eruwala never said anything like that. So don't praise. I can confront Eruwala. I can ask him. Omatame don't praise. Or let the record come out and let the voice come out. And then the show listen. Before social media, I have close to Mr. Eruwala. Although my gwe all the login make a setting me a Google, but at times if I want to talk to him, so he said a message you talk. A boy okay, the reply must say 2-3 days. You say give a reply, but man do one bambana or pay ni home. Ubege so eru wala. He may even live another time now. Eru wala never tell Don Prince where Don Prince go to social media. Ya ta we may come where he needed DNA 9. And no, please, nobody should insult Don Prince here. Please, 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 please. In this platform, una know now, igwa lebo, e kokpa inani do iyobuwa. Iga sola di oma lele megbina, wado deba megbina. Okay, where insulting Don Prince, insulting Madasham or Mr. Dumes, no. Or Mr. Solomon, no, please. You can comment wisely. Please, please, I apologize. I beg you guys for it. No insult here. So, imegitamok bi atamok una we eru wala kae we DNA is not the issue. No cause a problem in here be. Opo no we bie ni e. DNA the issue at all. And eru wala is not letting us know or letting me personally know or telling me now where or mona go me but naya be your money na woto already 3 months ne shine yike so no oya so drag eru wala according to eru wala and the mena yanitana azebama azef my sister my beautiful sister Shine Francis. If you also choose to call on this platform, you are very free. If you also choose to go and debunk Emeniata Neru Walakae, my sister, debunk it without fear of favor. On I wait do de baron back buena eru wala ma wete na we ni etana wage no eru wala weta we uga wo no please on your video or meto mene paramia we fe tieme e paru video ni mebe do ni ima egun awe live video there pa only do gun platform na ni go agbon I will on the video for you. If you also said no, you want to send me a voice when you tell me wala na we e then ma gun e will not tell my man. Send me a voice note. When you ask me, I will refresh, I will pay, or do it on your live screen video. If you wish, okay. So let me quickly answer Don Priest. I think Don Priest is calling me here. Don Priest, the great I be Don Priest or now. So let me stop there first, okay. Don Priest, please, if it is you, call back again. Okay, Don Priest. Hello. Don Priest, hello.
Hello, what's up?
Baba Obota, Odowo.
Oh, you know, Baba, family,
yeah, everybody is fine. They will decide where we will.
Patro. So, when the matter and the Lutana, when we may lad with the matter, the first thing with the matter, Ladia. When the Tana, if you know, remember with the matter, Ladia. Amen.
Yes.
Yes. Solona ata we na video we a share of a big man only a biena. So a big man in a magic cocovier, you will cook moyo. So only in that touching because
exactly.
You know the man.
Exactly.
So you know what on the man and my colleague there. Master my way my one day and me to be maybe we are be supporting him and here we met but now maybe now we a video and me at but near post eladia any video me at but wala you know what your message to papa wala when you post eladia me tell me every presenter the audio bloggers because when they agbona ona we me see here beg
Osofa Pikin. Any bad comment, I block you. Any bad comment, I block you. Okay, like I said, you have agree, my brother. 1 second. Like I said, you are free to comment wisely. But using it sort on this platform, I don't take it from anybody. Any bad comment, I'm going to block you. Okay, Mr. Don Priest Lakion, my brother.
Okay. So now. Me you know ya tell me no in do them na time or me la dia do tieru wala wa ipa oga we o egeli bi mo na bi ya ta na anu do gba wo mo na so the me ya ka bo ya anyin yo e di na do soniru wala do eru wala even when I go na me ye ti egweru wa e senior brother gi oga ari o we senior brother gi oga ari family asime. So, when the senior brother ya bume kwa, me do ya kwa we video. So, me ye gene ya bume kwa me to be me ana do use premier finish up. Me na ye kwa na mareru wala ma ye kwa. Ma ye kwa o ba ma ye ti rishi gbe now. But if I millimeter me try to see way. Ya ku ipa we ma we be kwa.
Exactly.
Ma ta me ma we ma ti rishi gbe we ni tell you ni ari she o.
Yes.
But when you attack here, we Eruwala you go in me.
Eruwala marigo no. Only
stop the matter. Masa when I ye gwana, Mareruwala, Mama ye gwan. Just that is senior brother again at a pamote.
Yes.
Only my boy gwan.
Yes.
So when you need a gume gwan, and me do ya ladia, me do ya present on my own, in the ya balance here. So all the DNA in Metana, whether Eruwala do momo or Mani do momo, I with DNA. It not to come. Masarena. So when maybe I on away Eruwala way, Yonyamo, all those kind of things when the most regarded the Wakuya, all the when I with the Ata we Yonyamo, but in the share we ye forgive because the share. Or disrespecting it, although teaboning all those kind of things. So, me no la dia we a mirror no bana move. So, ne ya igatie bone ni allow all the presenters ni igatie bone ma in no bana move. But that day, many people came out and started insulting me. We may have collected bribing, it don't prince, we will collect, or what collect it will change matter in our area, they don't know what they are doing. This is what is going on in social media. So why we talk about why we watch a video about why we talk about it don't please. Eruwala matter man I seen the case of Ajebor in Meji Negwa Uri. Bina ye kwana pa Eru wala ma ye gwa.
Ubege, eti meka sie bi yekewe be na eru wala matem ani ma we. Good.
Yes na. Ose me na tamu we na we in case we have it here. Ya we tamu we ya we don please ya ma ye bi gwa.
Gwa yes.
E ma sa na so you may that you na ma senior brother there or gwa. So in social media that they don't know what is really going on. They don't know what is really going on. Different story. So not even I'm with the story like that first time, not even with the matter like that because me need to give me a face or you bad one side. They are bad money, all those kind of things. Or
you wear my DNA la dia ewete ru wala tam when we do time. God bless you. Where's you not deploy? Thank you, brother. Where's you? Where's it? Good.
Because you need shaking so that the settlement it can come for there. So it may stop and not to apologize when not allow. Forgive him away. And then if we marry him in the year, again, need to yarn. That's not to the follow up.
When you met you way, now come and I will okay. Go was so much media no ban when you tell no noise. Did I not tell you that?
And I would we I saw with me after she went.
I will not take back here and I call her my way for which or my yeti for where now. Emo bomb for you may toy me by now. So ya only go maybe 3-4 days or ya reply me if maybe there's issue I want to let him know not come in Nigeria. That's all my mother go the be but on my not near no bay. So that does it, brother. So thank Uwese una do tell me now as Agba Uwese. Uwese, I appreciate you.
All of the way they say I saw Papa Wala. It's not the sort of Mona bring the video where the priest is sort of come out. All the bloggers. Mona bring a challenge to Nana. Mona bring video where the priest is so Papa Wala. If Mona be brigand. Not but I thought they do chop. Mona this purpose name. If I the saga the woman who did breakfast, you get the way I say the saga, the use sense, the saga may not too evolve Papa. I don't say I think they call it name, but I know you're the sorter. I they call the name, I know the lie, but I know the sorter like that.
Where's it, my brother?
But since I tell no now, I believe say I know what they call the name again.
Where's
so
it?
the rest present
and it didn't is a give it turn on mana. No need the higher type ekoko. Uda do where are you monson? Tell me son. E cannot hear one. I tell my cannot hear de. Understand? You see, well, one more case in Iladian. One later don't ever itiru wala iti wewe wine bokba wagin. Yes or no, do you ask no abi? Good, even make it do where you were now. Ugmevugi and also on a video. Okbiana ge ibizugbe no matter issue no wakame no roto. Okbiana ge front no matter issue no wakame no roto. If I were you, by this time around, in my very only, Omakenu Lilian do I do bomb egui? I want you to just hear my own 1 minute of this advice. Where? Okay, where say? So, do I do bomb where that where egg boy to wakame issue deji? I believe where a no kameru wala now. Because Eru Walana is your home and bueno. And the here Ivana now. These are also people not begging matter with social media. A dopris Bisu Berovieru Wala now. A from Vito Erovieru Wala now because you begging matter here and have a time. A way and near a begging matter and because you even maybe Rovieru Wala now. Where to where Rovieru Wala. But now you fighting these two people in the name of a Neru Wala where Omano de Beware Yagweru Wala Gua. Yeah, they go no back. So I believe when we are una, ignore these people if you have any issue with them. See now, so that man all when and we do later and I got you when no making a peace. Cause it we are at you where they you want drop a bazak back. If I no suno near ya with bizu for the France. Me mato expose. Yeah.
Umata me na ya for this France. In after the body family of the year. Even be been a one many Clear maybe you no smart. I get the details maybe you no so we. Oh yeah, because we are not here.
Oh my, everybody, Sonny, as if no need of you saying it.
No say that is that. So now, imam we you want to get like that why something na. I was why something or when you make it a body look la, if I have to no. All over us was yeah, you know what, no ata lori. But then me when okay, you know I something money, but to bueno we man ban we something para. We man ban we something. All the ata we you la titin, e dey am we the case in your ball, me and go from me mo superman. This, many boy, many this, many that. You know we again I have to work with that. Again I sort of meta you know the balance, the new life social media. As far as what I would talk to me that may you be
we understand. That's only me one time when we are
so any also may not declare but anybody not it will be problem with me there. So I say now let it saga now. Me the saga strong in my daily bed. Go with saga. Let's do
okay, good. If I were you now, we see Bizu be I say Frankie more. So that nemeru wala ni no make na ye through side way or even ya be ilahin obian re mo
ma be practice ma mi wa me bana miss ma ti say to for life asa we are working mi tan yen wo no go America ya re sin ya ro
ma etima e worry when etima do tell mama e worry anyone e gwigi time ma ya ye biti we mo is okay brother we so you are me yere la no you are watching right. Okay, fiane. So now, my people, kaka bok mome otimage Edon Prince venodoya tie venodoya ikoli bambana guawe eru wala matien sister me no tie me ban ati ubege odowe clear gbe ineo weru wala ma itien you know. Please, I'm not picking any call now. I'm not picking any call for now. Please, I am not picking any call now. Somebody is trying to reach out to me. The answer is again you 1 second to go one. Okay, yeah, finishing it. Yeah, tiwe. Yeah, finishing it. Yeah, tiwe. Me with video now. Yeah, tiwe with video now, please. Yes, my beautiful sister, Festus, Ajebor did shine and her mother collected money or not. Yes, I am going to let us know in that conference call, that very faithful day, what Mr. Dumezedo said to us. I'm going to say it here. But before that, I will quickly play 1 to 3 minutes video of my sister, Madam Shine, who is married to Mr. Solomon. You see, Madam Shine, in the only time I wear my sister, one year. I got balegbegbe wagmo ni kaye we tadisi. Emeke no mo mari o we ayi kuri edo oye lowo ama we bajigbina here. I believe today you are supposed to seek with your husband, and your husband are the same to you. But your husband allows you even continue to be tapping another the KS we not come or morona the public evenyana. I believe Mr. Solomon has a lot of blame there. Yes, and don't worry, you must not tell me son. Some of us are seeing that very place, but we are leaving that place behind. If a married woman like Shine Francis, she's legally married, or she's legally married to a man who live in Western world and a do man. And the social media, Shine no cameru wala na irene, Shine must to attach your. And Mr. Solomon continued to allow that to be happening in his matrimonial. Edo where awa. Mr. Solomon Osemigie, with due respect, my brother. When Vuga Sageru Wala, the casing ada sunu, when you newly go to this woman's life, there is a video you said, Mr. Solomon, that child you have adopt her. Who adopt her money? Or who can adopt her? That's the language you use. And I made mistake of who adopt her that who adopt her. Go and check yourself, my bros. Umana be tell me now we video quoting me wrong. But there is a video you said it years ago when you newly came to this woman's life. About Ajenogi. You said Omona ya daughter, or you use a language where Omona ya daughter ene. Okpa beva. Okay, Omo nu we daughter ne. Number one. Omo nu we daughter ne, Mr. Solomon. Error money, let's assume, or we error money, or error money, or we but egba error money. When I read now as a good husband who want to be best, una who are daughter money ne mirok bareba wa agba error money. A case of be another like social media or walking web, or ye agunwayo, and you are still alive, or more no we are daughter ne, which is very, very bad. Now, number two, Gabe where Umaya daughter, but Umwevo daughter money. And do that they tell her that we ya daughter mona. Okay, can we mona daughter ne? Ovioma, you know. Minori kamoni, or my cannot carry no henny, era no abandon any. Okay, can wabe amo, we raga we moebua. Era, kwena na daughter, the no we are daughter, or ya daughter, and era la de wagbina yo. If era where our daughter no madogmina or era where a working hard daughter married dogmina, I believe it's 100% of you people to just go with the child. But it may be surprise where issue are the media or one way or one where you were, we still be contributing mostly for Cameroon Wila. Your wife has one drag Mr. Dumezedo to Gorilla TV. To Gorilla TV. Oh, they call me God. My phone now is silent, Baba. Guys, 1 second. Share this video, guys. Hello. Man, it will video. But they laugh me again now. Laugh ye. Laugh ye. I finish in the arty way. So, somebody they try to reach out to me here, okay? So, Egbo mo very oni. Okay, can why where omona now is not for you both. Omona adult nera omona plaga adult. The reason nana yede gbe ya gwale okpia na bio na normal take responsibility okpia ni normal take responsibility of money. Edo mo bote we o do wani ku mo boya pita we umakoko imime omona ga nware ere o uzegbe no mo nwane de di ma are which of a very tender wo bokpa we ave atave gene de we awa unyime no wona gwo bia egwe awo kwoda abia no awo mo da bia no ma egbe soro for example I'm not using calling you okwoda o I'm just throwing parable egbe soro for example na tiebo ne ero money egbe ni wa stand yen ha mo via we o money umwela ya wa ve nana me wo kwo ni maladiane no do apologize ya wo money umwela la ya wa there are still family today in Edoni ni Makere who still continue Zuma good evening who still continue to have all this decision a law na or why your family so or why you exist now Madam Shine emineru walata mehe aso atana because eru wala itane ina gbeno yebe igi gbeno yebe ina to bomedo ye voice me ina do ya de gbe record the conference calling. I want everybody to know, okay, supported, God bless you. I want everybody to know Eru Wala is not OSAJ no game, Madam Lovett. Eru Wala is not fighting for DNA. No, matter where thank God our brother Don Prince although clever and in a ban. Beso kwa no ekene problem ije 3 months oje va bio money. Eru Wala way Madam Shine okay dragging right from Gorilla TV. Now, if you guys want to listen to it, any time, it make gbeno ina de gbedo tobo me tie, ina do tobo me record there as a voice record. I want to be playing it to you people. Yeah, if you play ne, yeah, the video shine. A video ne shine ou, or yaka wak boni kere nika wak be video ne shine ou. Because a video ne shine ou ni. Eru wala to boy ori e ba meta oro no mu eru wala no mu egbo no mu si o abo si o ami o ma because agbona mostly mani managbon e sage malo ikate mo pase na wa de o pe ama mo mo be na ma de ma ge mo mo wa ku e so kun pa no bo kin ya sunu we unyime ni yo money low abe mi jo meso no way ke gbina na ogiri 6-7 years if I'm not making mistake o no ke weru wala ona asu no aga mo la de social media meru wala are ule egun ayo ono pe no pa beteru wala yiragbon di ye be mo ebo gbise ku we ma o eti be la jo we do to we mama o ma ro pa ma we no to we madam ogeru wala metana emi eta because me ga ahimia on your behalf. I was begging Eruwala on your behalf, not only me, including Frank Victor and other dignity men. Imaga in Eruwala on your whole behalf, no camera mona. Then Eruwala now sit all down on that conference call. Ona Gwimagwa. Where issue no CNN here. Okay, and apart from that, Emenieta or but soon as this Martin near wa Jimare. But not every time. Ya do ya tin atalik ba vitalo na. Mo time okpa ina wu meso na popo ma wu no popo ma owu. Oni o bokpa. O de nu po geva ina we ave to agbogi o ma gbe e soro na ke ni do ba gbon. Egbe ga tolo ma gbe. Una tolo video egbe polo. Dero mo pa do pe apa na abie na ori abadono mo o ma abadono mo ga ka go abadono mo. Okwopa ila de social media ojewu no ba omo mo UK gbe oya amu ebo gbope ani not tole ope ani omu gbe family ope ani not tole family ope ani omu gbe mo no pe ani bi e se ope ani omu gboko no pe ani ri eyo wa no ma opa no ma ever adego da fon edo je ho ni fie kima we betu ma ho ni to asen rokpa no kan ni shuna ihe we mo logo na bie u sofa bi omo na do win ye kokomo onaga oge no heke. But there is a story no lele mo money no do yeru wala do aro be denena nana miewe be na ejebe guana no unagu mweru wala emi osie ademeni mi atalo babana. But so pa no, how will a woman okbian we seti ye wu no ba mo you kegbe mo ebogbe okbiani ewe ye do agbene mi social media all my do ta weru wala wi ani de die ni o mata ugbe so mega we no ma we na geru wala igwalegbe we adewa eru wala ga gwalegbe we de we ke hu uwe no ti odafon because o wodo oye odafon already adopt the child. Uwe aga neru wala ro irewa no we what do you want in my house my s owo mi yen gwalo kan ma we ogwe won mo ara is egbe yo gberu ri no border for no ti order for yen border for yen delay because your husband already said he wants to adopt the child or he has adopted the child, but you never behave so, neither your husband tell you to behave so. Wagi mwe bok bi se kok bi ani neveri oni wegi ekene present akpanata we eru wala we need the DNA when ala jan we if my heir say he need DNA I'm ready 100% then when I woman I gan even when I gwa we then na gan ye we ro no tawe or I degbe ke no degbe o salobo awese wagbon no gin ama iwo pe ana gan wegi mwe bona biseka mu biseka gbo mu biseka ko no ye yo wa madam ti zegbo e ma egega said do to we sister shine please do to we me not tami ma metana and I will place some evidence. I will place some evidence. No jeju eru wala mo we dene na kin ke gbo ko se vi o mo eru wala. So my sister, you have your platform, or you can easily take Mr. Ameya if you choose do a video, or epa if they send a voice no soon. So I'm not telling you where Egwan, my sister, anytime I wear, with due respect, I never say so, my sister. But no yame teme na veneru wala ya gumegwan or yame tana, my sister, and I have some proof to play along with a video nuna respect to a public, my sister. Insulting the father of the man you call is the father of your child to that extent, then you will expect the man with social media or asset when a man me war more. My sister, or I may a social media setting more money no a set when you do me or more. Di menami ya wefino. Listen, my sister, I have hairs. Menami ya wefino in hairs. And the S may be me hairs on me. Veni memu diana ebonatiele yeti we awomema say omema ho Bernardo tie never zagba a public me ho we esi me owe nda wa ye ime yon na ima wono pa no kamo ola di azagba omo egbe boni gbese me de igakane we omku we komonu bie wa baba de odo figure social media okay do yi me de gbe ya momo we no mana seri ebo o ma do inia my sister we ni me ye gba the truth of the matter o say na we ga say my sister utogwe we no ya sunu because enieta metana enieta metana we ni me ye metana egba ekwe. You said to a man no biena years ago with social media where 6 years 6 years or video ni where ote say 10 years isekeru wala hegara gbona and eru wala said today with 10 years igbane ye ragbon na ye to bien ye go down ye yeke esenu sawo ni epologbe ye oni ye 10 years ibai there bonu mu gbese kin ye mana wina ye agemi ni awu. As far as we are lying, 10 years ago, my sister. Number 2, 3 months. Let me when the agmo ye beni play man. Then before I play that, ni managmo where in amagele ho venu ya tie bona or when no ma mume sie me. Oya me teme na ni taba where my sister and dove even to your husband today. Ege beka abo abalo my sister. Even to your own present husband. Just like I asked your husband that they were, bros, one am social media. The man said it's not him. He said you are the one who draw him to the media space. According to Eruwala, ukamuye ye gorilla TV ne, umuye yove ne do cyber space, umuye yove ne. So I believe it's not called for my sister. Ere Dumezedo is a popular person. Vera wu edo yahon do say ivie do ni rewebo ebo yahon. If I were you, my sister, if I were you, or in our family way, or even if I'm your husband, except really I have stand in the area where I have adopted the child, but when I'm with my stand in my daughter money, and you have a daughter money as your husband, my sister, tia abu odina. Do deni abu na make o keri tendo we I am dan die gbe my sister. Oviedo uwe hin sister shine. Oviedo hin. Na revi tendo we I am dan die gbe. Veru wala no ho awu. Do we me no geleru worion we venu tire yo kan aje. Venu tire yo kan aje ni my sister. Di mo we uzi egbenu geru wala do to boy go alomo. Ugedo to boy aji gwe our money. Oga iro we no ya tie social media. Oga iro we no board that phone we call that phone koke. Di mo we. But I am me when we tell ma o ma de yo we ga ekenana ye me omo gberu wala kan urule la dian. Okpianu we mu ebo gbese ka mu gbese ke gbo e mu gbese ko imo no ma opa no vi ohian. Ima di you wala kat ye bo no we o do to we my sister. Udo to we. But all when eru wala mo yini me akpe now we prove. Here I work for 3 minutes or 4 minutes. We prove. They were ane keni you wala na be mwebo gbo you wet ye bo ni you wala tie ni money you wala bie my sister okpo we because I don't wear azesien azeba ma azesien sister shine. The truth of the matter. Please, nobody should insult this family. Nobody should insult Sister Shine, Brother Solo, and Brother Eruwala. Nobody, please. Please. After the all set up done, you have right to call. You have right to call. It's a peaceful program. Ruth, thank you very much. So, my beautiful sister, Sister Shine, Francis, you also have right. Play your video, play the record to the world. Ekeniju walana guwe make a problem. Because a proof no yeru wala kinye kegboy kosevi on ma mo ene nahin. Adene data we miewa ugmeso keseru wala gari social media. Ah we aware. A sister share wa ari eba ni ve no wa comment. I beg make una leave this man alone. I beg na every time I take the insult Ima beg ima marwao. Where manakana eteseti kokomona sister shine eteseti kokomona we weteru wala seti kokomoa eru wala makana we mabiomo we ateru wala baba na mu phone we no ya guwe gun wa we o maka ge yin biomo adoma no we mieru wala physical look we de na o we o money eteru wala seti koke so we mari negbu we boy the problem sister shine umari negbu we if there is some character you need to change, to amend, no gele we okbiana ni biomo na okbiana mo ebebo no omego no ihone ni megele eni omi me bia eni egbena. You have to change your behavior towards that man. Yes, I go where if you not loyal you go rioya. Umwegberi oto rundomo aguri oya, rundomo e okuna rioya, rundomo okbiana rioya. Omami we to zuwa my sister. Iji me be na gwana iji me oma asi ai me temo e baba na be ni regem ne na amwebo gbe ha me awewa amwebo gbe. Yes, Omana sia ime pampa na ona amwebo bijivi me ya amujare kamya wa amwebo gbe sia me. Yes, and why at your bonnet? Do you know why? If you may go in or really now, see a boy bomber. Yasi. I will never support people near Amwe Bogby Jimmy me or Mariwa. He said you were. Yeah, wear only my kame, so 5 my home or my way will down me. Or I will down me, that one's another different thing. Is another different thing. Is another different thing. So, my beautiful sister, uze lodigbina. Where eru walama say you way. Somebody say, shine need good advice. God bless you, Sister Ruth. Uze lodigbina. Uge weru walama say you egbema say yo. If I were you, niga atadeban. Ni mega atadeba where then or dafu we na stand where or mona ya daughter or ya daughter any or dafu we is in the right position to advise you. Veru wala no huabu. Eru wala no huabu. Give me fine, please. Veru wala no huabu. Okeke nuwe more money. No more we o weru wala no huakina na wo imini. Yes. Agba mo gini digwe. Mrs. Shine, everyone we are policy and we policy egben we be ye. Edoma fi where you serve oni. Edo or my fi where you serve oni. Nu we no walk ba no do be ye gbokpa. Nu we wu walk policy egbuwe. Wo even policy egbokpi ani. Edoma fi where you serve yo. O money o keke nu mwe umwari yo imini. Where I say about when I to tie your yako, zolu what ever zolo do to wear. Hanakino, Pokona, whatever sing. I got 12 when you ma, or I got 12 when you ma. Oh, one and why am I tell where he? Oh, one no we bien or Tima no. In your tate, or second or kagbeyi. Thank you. Put it on number 2. Thank you very much. In your take, your or second or kagbeyi. Where do surprise where emu webo moveru wala akin say ya agwaji aike wa mweru wala no hwa yoto because oi bike or mosemi ya na me igo paro neru wala me no so money at all igo paro neru wala me no so money and eru wala talking to me edeni mahia gwani eru wala never said we dey no problem yo yen mani do mo a problem issue no roto neru wala muji me nyano me fe ko nyano legana ime sole lega nyano lega uwe na kuna upo we no sister umomoni ari wani eru wala seti yo pia kalo seti yo sisi be physical wa edamo ugmeso uweva awo kagbe na wa gun ayemeni. Ebani o kagbe na wa gun ayo ugmeso na awenu digwenu imi egbeni rudeve nu tave social media ugmeso awe digwe imi nenokpia nu bie na ihe wa sete ari miewo mo egbe soro we na gwana na yemi okwo mo we doni o abia na ya miewe omo ni we no guwe na ogu egbo oro we dio uwe hin abejo ya atuo money no na guwe no we ya atuo money because barat won ori okwo ne sorry barat won mo don na me egbo emiewe hin akoko money o esunu we but my sister you never did so diabetic we umawe it means we waage wawoda for wazio ne we siso we gba owo mo na wa badon mo na it should go omo na ya hu amawe o ha gere no we ado nemo mo na agwago a ugmewu wana zovi over for example mega uwe ne shine or mena order fun we mena a platform na ta we eru wala go take care of your pikin mega uwe e are platform igbe your way please eru wala don't have pikin is my child don't say eru wala with my pikin again area ya okwo ogbudu we mi okwo no ta work bi ara with 10 years eri okwo we yo ya ni. But when we ya una sister, oye na mi we nu we ye gbe ko. Ipigbe gba eropa magba. O masunu emi ropa masunu. I na me where I take me here where's they get support. Where if my ex say he need a DNA, I'm 100 over 100 ready. Where boyan where mugbees, mugbegbees. Okay, a bonny ya the reason ugu mwegbe in the day omari ogyomo or waffle. To where my time on social media where Eru Joseph is a way. Umata na the social media where Eru Walate the poison where hospital and your error video just because the man are not able to be taking care of the children maybe during 3, 4, 5 years because of the argument inside the issue. So my sister out you where no we are thinking there can have money or I may okwo ko no bie me ona la diazagbati gbe boni se ka meragbon e o me hon ibege o be tie no ko o be tie ni mo we ni me o wi yen ni kemi ya abadon and the truth of the matter e do we keni viese e keni viera me ore why e no unyimi kweso unero no live is getting too much. Now my sister Shine, I'm not against you here. I want you to know, my beautiful sister, go and also play your proof. If you choose to call me, call me. If you don't choose to call me, my sister, all live video debunk a bona where a woga atie bona that in a fear face where you're then let's see from there. With a bona pan where tie ni sekeru wala tine boy tine eru wala where ye have to be a year 10 years by if anything will be even changed or done. Ye have to be a year 10 years back or 10 years where ye ni bane ye only a year 10 years by Ubega ye only a year 10 years ye buy. So now let me play it and let everybody listen to it. 3 minutes. Okay, can I walk by? Mama, aro ni ju wala na weti ebo nu eti ni monu bie mama come and play it. Ona e we ta agun awen we egun no. Eru wala we nu we ladian we nu zenu nu we. That's what he said because he maga him and nu we when the man said no that is bitter. Now let us listen to some of this course here. Awak bay, argue bad as when you know yak bay, walk can bay. So that people should also look into this place. Akbeo. For you people watching, this record I'm about to play is not a new video. Ete shine that Madam Shine that way now. Or Madam work bay no we or bay no way. Okbe no riwe. So Okbe no way. Mama Lover, thank you are here.
Yes, so when you call you in a video.
I believe this one is Madam Shine,
yes,
right?
Imago we see you. Imago no rahu me. Cause what you go digga. Oku ase no beer.
That one is Madam Shine, right? It's Madam Shine. Etimwe a video ma very do akpe. Na ogwan na owin atin go digga. Maybe who knows who was calling her go digga? Or the weru wala atin go digga. He should come and play the record because I can't boy here na. We want to put a settlement. Because when you na mesikeru wala odugugan agboyaya we say odove iwa sikeru wala. I might not be in the same meeting eru wala ye but yove imesiko o man o ti be the whole metaji no. So we need a peace. Madam Sophia, good evening, Mama. Ya emena ya attacking with social media. So Madam Shine, we have a home di atie bonu we no doju we provoke do tie gbe bo we nyana no bia no we bia na. Madam, please play your record. Play that record, let people hear it. Because we swear in eru wala guiji me akpe na. Edo we no mahemu mehesi me wani bia do ni risi. Why you got down me hot now? Eru wala never asked for DNA. Eru Waila never said he is not the father of the child. Or matama mevedio. Or matama mevedio. But a problem no reo Tony eve Madam Shine. 3 months a day. Or well wona ke yemo mona stressing it. Veni eka ya rigo niya ya ate yaba. But nazege kak beside Mr. Madam Shine na wo. Emi nota. Cause Eru Waila rieni na baemeta. Now let us play it.
Tobie wan go biago ugwamo eleloko no macho ne nuwege very soon or like no be ko no igbere 21 years ne ni amomo ni arugodo except ko ni ti amu ebogbe you understand you when I you man tama we down where iye yo ni amomo omekowe wa yo pa o Manuel wa yo pa o Manuel wa yo fa o Manuel wa ye ya wo Manuel oh many shine ni na me ye me ododo ina kama we gbe iyo ni bi o mekowe so papa no una kama na we wa be ye wa ri yewe you understand igi bi o ne una we ne Eru Waila or divorce way officially ti we mi ro pa you understand Eru Waila you don't know be what you got deceiving they ye perfect remove your legs stop be what you got deceiving they ye perfect ube western yo ube yo egbe ma be sa una giene una we dey see ka me mai kune.
Listen, she's measuring Eru Waila name here. Probably maybe Chairman Dumezedo Mav some Mav in any area like measure Eru Waila name to her. When Manikbia Maakian Lele Okwo I mean ni maya fieki. Thank God, no matter when I wear Waila amwe bogbi Eru Waila or when no ata we Eru Waila either or that voicing or something like that. Or you know taba. I want me be so okay am okwo we okwo no wari owa owa mwe bogbo kon dem okwo ni na a chicken. I want me be a ni bun okay am okwo we owo hin e wa o kon dem o kan ro wa ni na chicken. Aba me very oni. But right here now a Madam Shine Tana now. Madam Shine I have not seen now where Eru Waila or Tiabome a voice area my video. Not where Eru Waila where maybe Eru Waila or not. Fine. I make a video. At times they also talk 1 or 2 things of their wife no rowa in by or near making out they get the side chicken in which also no nick bedo. Donona or water boniet bona akbe. I must obey. I'm a 10 or I can for we have to play it. Even if the woman forget, so that not they remember a memory wa. Meaning nana there you no ni efio bo we ni ebe so ale ode ogavie. Owo avie bagmo. A momentila. Uti ebo no ma o mama wu. Ero bueno. Okbia no bia na. We so aneru na we social media. 10 years in where am we bogbe na we no wu o ma wu with 10 years. If I were you Madam Shine, if you know where they are making an arrow Eru Waila with social media, more kagbe you abeg make una leave that man. You not get what he do now. A boy whatever one in 5 years, even if a beggar have a beggar. A power a sister Shine. I station who not be anywhere. Why comment about when you are at your bon well? When you are at your bon well, so I boy you could bear over you. Here be a time, one day the mama stood up where oh one know you want be one on na. Now mini echo a have a settle. When he mega he might not try to change, to reconcile with you, how to take care of the child. Na guana na to we gualodo, tin gualoko. And we be krokro we o money Eru Waila setik ba oge. Usiwe Eru Waila said don't setik ba oge. Okay, now they not said we man make a peace. That's the question. Okay, uma make a peace. Uriye 10 years in oma, uwoma awu. 10 years igbawe na gwana o ma ni ma wu we gi me ke na gbene o ma we Eru Waila we na do we DNA we na agogo wu awa we DNA di mo we me be gun aye program we ri oni imi ara he na Eru Waila ni se ka ewu o ise ka e mana wu uponu po na Eru Waila bumede we no bumi aje wa no we ado momo di me we me ri owe ye ya ko we one day o ga re we ado momo ni me do no do omo no ma koko o hin do mo a Because nobody know what that child will turn to tomorrow. When you set a trap in here, wala. But when I don't woman not here, boy, Boma say, what he gave Gualeru wala here. At the same time, you said this man, Rudawa Badonomo, Ukia, you tie, who almost to Wunati 10 years. 10 years is ban on my Omani way or handle where you don't know when we're doing DNA. Nularo Wagba with DNA. So, my sister, what better way I bali baby wagbon. My sister. Oh, you have Facebook now, my wife. You know what? Be my so Rema, but now I'm going to support you. Where what the be out with yana? And I'm only the problem. Even no time at Boma, when I'm see 7 make work one and I go with Saga menacing. A panny te wa like a man, a panny. My sister, no way man, ATJ. No, a dog man who say, look at man, a my sister. A dog or mo or Riavico. Oro mo ori aviko my sister. O salobwa bere we meni tama we na me dan. Veni ya go egun ade no pon me ibe do ya gun ayi my sister. Oweja we gbere aya bo yen edo. If I were you and your husband stand where Eruwala will touch your mona ma asset koke. Go and go forever. Yes. Voice we man yet stand the very awful. Umwe bogboma wo 10 years. 10 years ago, one year ago, where he always present a back where Eruwala say ni dien where my when where's he when we no Eruwala when I want like a platform where if my S say ni dien I'm ever ready 100 over 100, madam, you disappoint yourself and even if short, you must show that from where we have been commenting. Oh, we made our ones ye benu Eruwala do no do him ya we and I real when I went on the live video. Or if my life video will not bother for in where near ya oku ogbuduwemi. Ajebor bokpa enu we heno sunu o mari sunu obonu pogevu we weta ya we ifuena my sister e kesoro umweri uto o amweri uto e pisi agwewe. Owo lapara bewu ne oro keke no yari e ba gbon ora zokan agberagbiye e amugbe because eri power. You cannot be vibrating when you are not on uniform. You have this power when you are on uniform. Ogo, wagmo. Ne social media ke talos is there. When you are not ye police in Eruwala wa. Or where Eruwala wa badon no more social media person here. Eruwala la ye police in where. Not binik banana in where. Is there anybody? Absolutely no. Iya ta you no ma maju when ma ye say where are here be wo. Mr. Solomon Rigore, a problem here ni mo aya nwa e. Where I Eruwala working at ala po wa gbewa. It's not done, my sister. You insulting him every day. Why don't you pass another way? Ave mi e ti ebone. 5 years away at ebone ni 5 years ni ya